Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, I'm in my closet, and this master closet has challenged my spirit since I've moved into this house, only because it's not big enough for all of the things that I have, and I don't have enough okay, so this, let me see if I can tilt y'all. This right here bar, when you come into my closet and you put clothes there, putting clothes in the back is not a problem, right? Because it's away from the door. But when you put clothes up here, up there, and you try to close the door, the hangers and the clothes get caught on the door. So it's terrible trying to come in and out of here with clothes hanging on that side. So we've been limited to really just this back space, right? That's all the closet space I really have that is usable. So then I was thinking, okay, how can I remedy the situation? How can I fix it? Well, I was looking at, I think it was Leland. And then I looked at a couple new people. I don't know them, but they were doing like master closet makeovers or beauty room makeovers. And I saw some really cool and neat ideas about how to make over their closets to make it make sense. So I've purchased 2 bookshelves. What I'm going to do is take this one main rack down. I am not yet convinced that I'm taking this middle rack out because I think I may need that. I don't think all of my clothes will fit on just that one situation. So I am thinking to leave this middle rack in here right now. I am taking the shoe rack out because I do have some more space in my shoe closet for some things. Now I bought 2 bookshelves, and the only way they're going to fit, the only way they're going to fit flush against this wall is if I take that rack out. I believe. I need to measure again. It may fit, and I may leave the rack up there just because it might be helpful. I'm going to measure again just to make sure that the bookshelves will fit. I have 2 white ones. I ordered from Walmart, and Walmart was being real disrespectful with they ordering. The people that was supposed to ship it evidently don't ship for Walmart anymore, and nobody told me that when I ordered it. And so I'm looking for my shipment. It didn't come. Finally, they did issue me a refund, and I just went to Amazon, ordered it. I paid a few more dollars more on Amazon, but at least it came, right? One came yesterday, one came the day before. And one of the bookshelves is put together, and Jackson is putting together the other one. So I just did a quick sort of my clothes, and sister is folding the things that I know for sure are going back to Goodwill or wherever it's going. And still getting over the sickness. Feeling fine. I'm just tired. And I think it all came from Friendsgiving, hosting Christmas, going on vacation, all the things we did. I'm just worn out. But anyway, let me measure to see. We're going to clean out all the shoes, get all the shoes out, everything out. And then we're going to start slowly bringing stuff back in. So let me go and see if we can't figure out measurements real quick. Okay, so here's everything out. Those boxes up there are coming down. And that's everything out of the closet. I'm not repainting right now. I don't have the wherewithal for any of that. But we're not going to mount the bookshelves to the wall yet. So if I do need to come in and paint, I will do that at that time. I'm going to update the lighting at some point, just not today. But I'm going to vacuum through here real well. I just don't have the wherewithal to do all the painting. Just not today. Maybe during the summer. Okay, that's another. Oh, that's a YouTube thing. I'll take that into the closet where I have all the other YouTube stuff. So the things you find when you go through boxes. I did not think I had any more tennis shoes, and had bought a pair a couple months ago. And look at this. Ended up 2 pairs of shoes that have been sitting up there in the top of the closet for months. Months. And I'm needing them because I'm going to be going back to the gym. There we go. Did we get it now? this chair. All right, y'all, so here is kind of some progress. So I did not end up taking that rack out because I actually can leave my purses up there. But I did take those boxes out. I found 2 pairs of sneakers, which I'll use for walking because it's getting ready to be time for walking again. But I like having these shelves in here better than having the hangers that were up here because you couldn't close the door without hitting the hangers. I put some of the frequently shoes that I use in here to make room in the shoe closet for my boots. We did take out that one other stand, and I'm going to exchange that in Jackson's room. So this is truly all that we have as far as clothing is concerned. And, well, I have a few more pieces, but it seems like everything right now is fitting there. I will have maybe a few pants and skirts, but not a ton. I do have my hamper basket back there, and I'll actually probably be able to put my work bag down here and my purse even from the day when I come home from work. Of course, that won't stay in here. Alana's just been helping me hang stuff. I vacuumed it out and everything, so we're still working on it. T-shirts are going here for sure. Workout pants. So I'm gonna have to clean out some of my drawers and do workout pants. And what I may actually do is do a part 2. So maybe this will be part 1. Okay, this will be part 1. And then I'll come back and I'll do a part 2. Because it's still going to take us quite a bit of time to go through the drawers and the rest of the closet stuff. And I want to make sure it looks nice. And I don't want to hold the video out for 3 years because it could be that long, child. And I'm still not feeling well. At night, my throat starts hurting. Everything else is fine. Coughing still. Anyway. So there it is. I'm going to end the vlog here. This is just part 1. And then we're going to come back and jump in with part number 2. If you like the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.